In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image to specific size in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to keep your image looking crisp, and how to avoid accidental stretching or squashing. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure your canvas is loaded and visible. Then click directly on the image you want to resize. You should see a bounding box around it when it's selected. If you don't, click again to confirm the image itself is selected and not the background or the overall page. Now, look up at the top toolbar. Find and click the Position button. When you open Position, you'll notice a panel on the left side. In the Advanced section of that panel, you'll see fields for width and height. These are the exact size controls you'll use to set your image to a specific dimension. Before you type anything, check the small lock icon next to the size fields. This lock controls the aspect ratio of your image. If the lock is closed, Canva will keep the original proportions. That means when you change just the width, the height will adjust automatically to match, and your image won't look stretched or compressed. If the lock is open, the ratio isn't preserved. Changing the width alone will stretch the image horizontally, and changing only the height will compress it vertically. For most photos, logos, and graphics, keeping the lock on is the best way to maintain clean, professional results. Go ahead and click the lock to your preferred state. If you want to keep the ratio, make sure it's locked. Then type the exact value you need in either the width or height field. Press Enter, and you'll see the image update on your canvas. If the lock is on, Canva will automatically calculate the other dimension for you. If the lock is off, you can type different values for width and height, but keep an eye on the image to avoid distortion. A few quick tips as you adjust. Typing a number gives you more precision than dragging handles on the corners. Pay attention to the units shown next to the fields, so you're entering the correct measurement. If you need a very specific size, enter the exact value rather than trying to eyeball it. And remember, dramatically enlarging a small image can make it look soft or pixelated, so try to start with the highest quality version you have. That's it. Select your image, open Position, use the advanced width and height fields. Decide whether to lock the ratio and enter your values. You now have a clean, accurate way to resize any image in Canva.